All right, welcome back. So let's take a look at lesson 3, activity 1 here. So this is just a prediction. What they want you to do is look at this block of code and see what you think is going to happen. So as we look at this rectangle, R-E-C-T, it clearly is going to draw a box or a shape that's going to look like a rectangle, okay? But these two numbers right here, what are these? And so they want you to make a prediction of where you think those are going to, what's going to happen. Well, this is the X location and this is the Y location. If we show the grid, you can actually see the grid here. So if I go to right here, this is 100 or 99, 101. Close enough. Really close there. So our rectangle should show up in this area. And if we were to run that, now what they want you to do is actually go down here and actually write a prediction of what you think is going to happen. And essentially that's what's going to happen for this. It's just going to draw a rectangle at the 100, 100 location. So talk to your partner about that, what you think these are used for, how this is going to show up. And this is activity 1. So you're just making a prediction. You don't have to change much code. If you run it, it's going to show up right there. If we wanted to change this, we can't change it in this. Forgot about that. So just make a prediction of what you think is going to happen and write that in. All right, and once you're done with that, you can go ahead and run it and then finish it, and that'll move on to the next lesson for you. Hope this helps you.